The word fiesta embodies a lifestyle where every day feels like a celebration. It reflects a community designed to foster warmth, inclusivity, and a sense of belonging. Just like a traditional fiesta, residents can experience a harmonious environment filled with life, color, and positive energy. Hi everyone, John Kevin Paunel here. Right behind me is the single detached model of Fiesta Communities Porac Prime, which is located here at Barangay Manibaog, Paralaya, Porac, Pampanga. This comes with a 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bathroom, 1 vehicle carport. This is seated in an 88 square meters lot with a 66.50 square meters floor area. But before we proceed to the details of this model, if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para ma-update po kayo sa mga upcoming videos natin. Alam ko pong excited na sila, kaya wag na po natin patagalin. Let's begin the tour. So hindi po ganun kadali na makahanap ng single detached na malapit po sa Angeles City. Kaya kung gusto niyo po ng single detached, ito na po ang inyong pagkakataon para makapag-avail po dito sa Fiesta Communities Porac Prime. For 3,750,000 pesos ay pwede nyo na pong ma-avail ang ganitong klaseng unit na available po sa in-house and Pag-ibig financing. By the word itself na Fiesta Communities, look at the color po kung saan it matches the energetic color ng Fiesta Communities. We have railings and the windows are awning type window with grills. We have a setback of at least 1.2 meters at the front. Paved na rin po yung ating carport at saka covered po ito. We have a gate, pedestrian gate on the right side of the unit. It is a steel tubular gate. We have setback on each side na meron pong estimated mga nasa 1 meter space. You have this front setback na nabanggit natin kanina that you may set up this as your mini pocket garden. But before we enter dito sa ating interior space, check muna po natin yung other exterior details of this model. So wala akong napansin dito na outlet. So yung electrical outlet. So commonly sa mga carport kasi may mga outlet po yan. Pero dito po wala. Yun lang yung hindi ko napansin. We have this pedestrian gate dito sa right side ng unit na ito. And as we move forward, just like what I've said, 1 meter yung setback space. Meron tayong fence na available. So yung height niya mga nasa around, let's say almost 6 feet. So yun po yung height ng ating fence. We have a steel door access sa ating formal kitchen area. Elevated naman yung kanyang doorstep. At pag-proceed po natin dito sa likuran, we have a decent space of 1.5 meter. Pagdating naman po sa area na ito, this is our lanay area kung saan paved na rin siya with roof cover where you can set up this area kung saan magkaroon kayo ng tables and chairs, a place for relaxation, or you may extend this part as your utility or service area. At makikita po natin, this lanay have an access and it has a 2-panel sliding glass door. Yung exterior paint po natin, white finish po ito. And still, we have space here. So, let's go back at the front at pag-usapan po natin yung other details. Tara! So, before we go inside, makikita po natin yung pintuan natin. It is a steel door. Elevated po yung ating doorstep. Then, yung main carport, roofing po natin, nag-extend po siya along dito sa on top of the roof cover which serves as the canopy. And now, let's check the interior details. Let's go. Sa pagpasok po natin dito sa single detached model, una pong babati po sa atin is yung formal living area. Hindi siya po ganun kalakihan, pero decent space na po ito, lalo na kung ang members lang po natitira is at least 4 to 5 members. Very spacious na po ito kung ganun lang po kadami po yung titira. Makikita po natin dito, they have set up a 3-seater. Actually, this extended pa yan, L-shaped na siguro 1, 2, 3, 4. A total of 4-seater sofa. You still have the side table, your center table here. Pwede nyo pong ilagay po dito ang inyo pong your TV setup. The height floor to ceiling, it has an estimated of 8 feet height. Moving forward, this is our staircase which later po pag-uusapan po natin yan. Yung ating flooring, it is 60 by 60 cm. Porcelain floor tiles on my right side. This is the first toilet and bathroom. We have a shower, wall-mounted lavatory, water closet. Floor to ceiling na po yung wall tile cladding po natin na may mga accents po tayo dyan. I don't see an outlet for the water heater. Kayo na po ang bahala kung paano nyo po ipa-install po yun. Yung ating pintuan, it is sa PVC flush door. Moving forward, dito naman po sa ating formal dining area. As you can see, this fits a 6-seater dining table. Nakaharap po siya dito sa ating lanay area. Yung mga windows that we have here are awning type window with grills. Dito naman po sa right side ko, makikita po natin yung ating formal kitchen area. May naka-install po na ceramic tiles with sink, and in front, dito po sa area na ito, we have the windows. You have the space for a stove. May mga cabinets tayo dyan. Yung ceiling po natin, it is a gypsum board. Concrete na po din yung ating second floor. Let's move forward here. And this is our staircase. Meron siyang nasa 1 meter na lapad. With tubular steel railing. Yung tiles na ginamit po sa ating staircase or vinyl tiles, decent naman po yung height ng ating riser. So, ano po siya? Elderly and child-friendly yung pag-akyat. So, hindi siya ganun katarik. And now, let's go upstairs and check the second floor details. Moving up, papansin po natin yung ating window dito. These are awning type window which gives natural lighting. Yung ating staircase, it is a dogleg staircase. We have 3 available rooms dito sa second floor. On my right side, this is the bedroom number 1. So please bear with me, wala po tayong ilaw dito. Kaya medyo madilim sa video po natin. I guess yung cameraman po natin mag-i-stay lang po dyan para at least medyo visible po kung gaano ka-spacious yung bedroom number 1. This accommodates a single size bed. Actually, magiging maliwanag po siya if wala lang tayong curtain dito sa video na ito. Maliwanag to sapagkat we have 2 available na windows. So, these windows are awning type windows. And dito na rin po. May nakita po kong 1 outlet dito. Hindi ko lang po alam kung saan yung nakakabit yung isang outlet. But I guess, which is typically sa mga videos or mga house tours po natin, each row, meron po silang 2 outlets. And for each outlet, meron pong 2 socket. Yung atin pong pintuan po dito are flush door with wooden texture. Steel door jamb. Yung ating flooring, it is a vinyl tiles. Kagaya po ng flooring or tiles na ginamit sa ating staircase. Let's proceed naman sa bedroom number 2. So, this is our bedroom number 2. Ang masasabi ko lang po, this is much spacious or more spacious compared sa bedroom number 1. Although the bed frame that are used here is a single-size bed, pero meron pang makikita tayong space sa gilid at saka decent space dito sa another side ng bed kung saan pwede ka maglagay po ng study table, cabinet. Medyo maliwanag na rin po ang room na ito sapagkat may mga 2 windows tayo dito. At nakita na po natin yung bedroom number 1 and then the 2 or the second bedroom. But before we proceed sa master's bedroom, pag-usapan muna po natin ito pong second toilet and bathroom po natin. We have 2 bathroom. So sa baba at saka dito sa second floor. Ang advantage po nito is kung ikaw po ay gusto niyo gumamit po ng toilet, you don't need to go downstairs para lamang po makapag-toilet sapagkat meron ng available po dito. Meron rin siyang shower area, lavatory, water closet, floor to ceiling yung wall tile cladding po natin, and the small awning type window which serves as an air vents. Convenient na po yung access niyo po. And of course, right behind me is the master's bedroom. Tara, check natin yung details. The master's bedroom accommodates a queen size bed. Very spacious enough po siya kasi on each side may mga spaces can fit a side table. At below sa bed frame po natin may spaces na rin na pwede po natin paglagyan po ng ating mga cabinets. We have windows here and another window dito at sa likod na rin po ng headboard ng ating bed frame. Kaya medyo spacious po siya. Yun nga lang po wala siyang ensuite toilet and bathroom. But it's alright sapagkat this is just a 3.7 million single detached. Sa mga naghahanap usually ng ganong klaseng unit na single detached pero below 3.7 million, medyo mahihirapan tayo. Ito lamang po yung project na mayroong single detached under the price of 3.7 million. At ang kagandahan nun, napakalapit pa natin sa mga location na kailangan po ng mga homeowners po natin. So napag-usapan na po natin and we already check or saw the details of the interior space. Let's go back dun sa harap po ng model na ito at pag-usapan po natin yung other details. Now na natapos na ang ating house tour about this model, pag-usapan naman po natin yung other details na hindi natin nabanggit about this project. So when it comes to amenities, yung mga available po na pwede magamit po nandito are children's playground, an outdoor gym, we have an open spaces, swimming pool, at saka yung ating gate, it is a 24/7 guarded entrance gate. By the way, ito lamang po yung project ng Fiesta Communities na merong swimming pool dito po sa Pampanga. When it comes to the location, the project itself is strategically located dahil sa mga establishment na babanggitin po natin. So 9 minutes drive going to Nepo Mall, 10 minutes drive going to Holy Angel University, 5 minutes drive going to Pure Gold and Jollibee along Kutkut Flyover and Philam Highway, 11 minutes drive to Sacred Heart Hospital, 16 minutes drive to SM City Clark, and 12 minutes drive going to SM Talabastagan, 26 minutes drive to New Clark International Airport, and 15 minutes drive going to NLEX Angeles Exit. So kung may mga katanungan po kayo about this project, huwag po kayo mag-hesitate na mag-comment sa ating comment section below. If you are interested in this model or you are looking for your dream home here in Pampanga or nearby areas, feel free to message us on our social media platforms. We have our Facebook, WhatsApp, Viber, TikTok account, email, and mobile numbers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next house tour videos. Again, this is John Kevin Paunel, helping you find your dream home. See you on the next video. God bless everyone.